A quality silicone spatula can make everyday cooking tasks significantly easier while saving time. This simple tool helps protect surfaces and keeps your kitchen routine smooth. Options vary in size, shape, and stiffness to match different needs and budgets. Choices are compared based on grip, control, heat resistance, and cleaning. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 8. This model is a solid choice for silicone spatulas. Based on specifications and user feedback, it offers reliable performance, intuitive controls, and great everyday value. Buyers appreciate its efficiency and practical design, making it worth considering. Number 7. This set focuses on a slim, space-saving layout with hanging holes that fit hooks and cabinets neatly out of the way. 6 pieces cover flipping, scraping, and folding across bowls, pans, and baking dishes. Food-grade silicone tolerates heat up to 600 degrees, so the tools stay stable during stovetop searing or oven finishing without warping. Hand wash or dishwasher use keeps cleanup simple, and the flexible edges glide along non-stick surfaces without scratching. The design suits everyday cooking, pastry work, and prep where you want color-coded tools that handle high temperature and tight drawers. This earns a spot on the list by combining tidy storage, thermal safety, and gentle performance for casual cooks and bakers. Number 6. This pair relies on ultra-soft silicone that bends without cracking, letting you slide under food stuck in tight corners. The flexible edges mean you can scrape every bit out of mixing bowls while plastic or metal would leave residue or scratch. Heat stays within safe limits, so the set keeps its form even with long cooking sessions on a hot burner. Home bakers handling hot pans and delicate cake batters find this combination of softness and thermal safety practical. Strictly based on listed design and performance details, these spatulas fill the need for scraper tools that handle heat and repeated contact, which explains why Unicook 2 pieces earns a spot alongside other silicone options in your comparison. Number 5. Designed like compact paddles, this set of 5 focuses on flexible control and coverage. The main trait is heat resistance up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which lets these tools handle hot pans and oven racks without risk. Because the material is food-grade, non-toxic, and odorless, you get a neutral surface that should not absorb flavors or smells over time. The slightly flexible silicone helps scrape sticky bowls, while the varied shapes offer precision for sauces or broad support for flipping. For someone who wants simple, uniform utensils across multiple pot sizes, this set fills gaps with a practical layout and a clean, minimal look. Number 4. Focusing on high heat stability, the Chefaide 5 pieces silicone spatula set suits serious home cooks. This product is a collection of flexible spatulas made from food-grade silicone. The material does not introduce tastes or odors, and it withstands temperatures up to 600 F without risk of melting. That matters when you slide a spatula under a delicate pancake or stir a sauce on a high flame. The set serves baking enthusiasts who change tasks often, since the different sizes handle various pans and mixes. It earns its spot by clearly stating its heat limit and avoiding weak construction claims. If you want a simple set that matches your oven and stovetop use, this option aligns with those needs. Number 3. This set stands out with its 5 dedicated tools shaped for different tasks. Each piece uses food-grade silicone that handles heat up to 500 degrees during cooking and baking. That high limit means the tools stay sturdy when you stir hot pans or scrape warm bowls. The flexible heads help you fold batter gently and reach into narrow jars without scratching surfaces. Because the set includes multiple shapes, it covers mixing, scraping, and serving in one package. For home cooks and bakers who want one set to manage multiple pots and bowls, this collection offers clear versatility. It earned a spot by combining temperature resistance, non-toxic materials, and practical design in a single bundle. Number 2. This spatula highlights a very high heat limit and food-grade silicone construction. It reaches 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which supports cooking methods that push temperatures higher without material breakdown. The thin, flexible edge slides smoothly under food and cookware, helping you mix thoroughly and scrape bowls cleanly. Because the material is BPA-free and lead-free, it aligns with food safety expectations for direct contact with hot foods. The focus on low-carbon, odorless components appeals to shoppers tracking environmental impact. This tool fits cooking, baking, and mixing tasks where heat resistance and gentle handling of surfaces are both necessary. Number 1. Starting with a set designed around high heat flexibility, the Chefaide 5 pieces silicone spatula set offers a practical answer for everyday stirring and scraping. This product is a collection of 5 spatulas made from 100% food-grade silicone, built to handle temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit without risk of melting or cracking. That matters because it removes hesitation when sliding utensils across hot pans or bowls. The material stays soft yet sturdy, which protects non-stick surfaces and simplifies folding dense doughs. This set suits home cooks and bakers who want multiple sizes for different tasks in one purchase. It earned a spot here by combining solid heat resistance with practical variety in a simple, compliant kitchen tool assortment. These choices offer different features, heat tolerance, and handle comfort depending on kitchen style and usage. Budget-focused, performance-driven, or occasional users will find options that match their priorities. Compare size, material, and design details to see which fits your cooking routine. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.